Hi guys, I hope that you're very well. It's Sylvana here and I am back for a new video here on the Jewels and Gems YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me. For today's video we will be talking all about Aquarius again, because yes, yesterday was not enough. There's just so much more to say about Aquarius. So I was thinking for today what we'll do is we'll talk about all the beautiful crystals, gemstones, rocks that would be associated with Aquarius, that would be considered Aquarius zodiac stones. So I got today for you guys 7 beautiful stones that would be wonderful for anyone that has Aquarius in their birth chart. It could be just if your sun sign is Aquarius, but it can also be if your moon or your rising sign is in Aquarius. There's just so many options out there. If you're not too sure about that side of things, I would suggest to look at your birth chart, and that's where you will have all that information. You can find it for free on the internet. So yeah, let's just talk about 7 beautiful stones associated with Aquarius and their beautiful properties. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy, just easy going, simple, just to give you an idea of what's out there for you if you have Aquarius in your birth chart. So let's get started with the absolutely obvious, you know, amethyst. I mean, everyone knows amethyst is, you know, perfect for Aquarius. It's not just the birthstone for February. It really channels the beautiful Aquarian energy. And what I really particularly love about amethyst is that it is known as the natural tranquilizer. It has that beautiful energy that's all about helping you to calm down, to rest, to relax, and just, you know, take it easy. It's great if you're someone that's too much in your head and you need just to let it all go and focus more on your intuition. You know, it's very much so about, yeah, as we said, calmness. Obviously, because it's associated with the mind, it will be the third eye chakra. So, you know, that's going to be the sense of spirituality and intuition, and obviously inner peace in general. If you're someone that's very stressed out, very anxious, amethyst is the perfect crystal for you. And even more so for our beautiful Aquarius friends. If you don't have any Aquarius in your birth chart but you still feel attracted to amethyst, still go for it. You know, it doesn't mean that you cannot go for it. You're still allowed. It's just that this particular stone is even better for, it works very well for Aquarius. Next, let's talk about another one, which is, to be honest with you, one of my personal favorites. I absolutely love this stone. It helped me through a lot, and I don't have any Aquarius in my birth chart, so you see, it's the beautiful blue lace agate. Look at that beautiful soothing color. It's like a lavendery blue shade. It's so dreamy, it's so wonderful. I absolutely love it. It's such a wonderful stone. Of course, it's going to be throat chakra related, so it's going to be everything associated with expressing yourself, your emotions, your inner truth. But apart from that, it's definitely going to be, you know, tranquility. That beautiful color as well is also associated with that angel's world, angelic guidance and protection, and excellent for someone that's like stressed, that has a lot of tension, be it mental, physical. You know, it's very good for that. And for me, it really resonates because it's also associated obviously with, you know, expressing your higher sense of self, your higher truth, you know. So it's about bringing you to a new level of you know, being able to release what's on your mind and express your inner truth, your real feelings, and not to be afraid of that, not to be afraid of the judgment, and to express it in a beautiful way, you know, like without any anger or any other negative emotions. Then let's go for another one. Obvious, we've talked about it a few days ago, but you know, we have to mention it again. It is garnet. Garnet is not only suitable for Capricorn, but also for Aquarius. And for, you know, our Aquarian friends out there, it really has that beautiful energy of, as we said, passion, confidence, you know, being able to manifest, you know, in times at the moment, as we said yesterday, where, you know, with the Aquarian energy, we have so much going on, you know, we have that beautiful avant-gardist energy and non-conformist energy. We have so many ideas, but yet it's hard to put them into place and get them to work. This is where Garnet will really help you to get all those beautiful ideas and projects done and sorted, you know. Yeah, it's just that roots, it's heart chakra, but also root chakra energy. So also that sense of, you know, security, being grounded, you know, wonderful stone, wonderful stone. Next, let's talk about another one, which is the beautiful Azurite. Azurite is another great option for Aquarius. It really matches very well the Aquarians' way of thinking and their mindset. And you know, this one is a beautiful deep blue color. You can see it has a bit of a shimmer, this one here, and very much so that idea of connecting with our heavenly self, if that speaks to you in any way. And that idea that, you know, you have to follow and trust your own vision, because your own vision is the true vision. And again, yeah, it's very intuitive stone, so it has that beautiful intuitive energy associated with the third eye. So again, psychic awareness is going to be a big one. Learning, you know, it's a great stone for learning your way through life, and absorbing all that knowledge you get through as the time, you know, comes. And you know, yeah, definitely, you know, mind clearing, and it balances the mind that way too, you know. Next one is not actually going to be a crystal I'm going to show you. It's going to be a piece of jewelry, because that's what I have at the moment. It's my beautiful ring here. This is the next one here. This is Moldavite. So you can see it has a dark green color. So Moldavite, for those of you that have heard about it but are not so familiar with it, it's a form of tektite that is actually from an asteroid. So it has, obviously because of that, it has that sense of spiritual awakening. It's a very powerful stone that a lot of you know, people that use crystals would say that it's an energy that can be sometimes overwhelming, because it transcends every aspect of our lives. And it's very cool, very unusual stone, and definitely something that Aquarius, my friends out there, definitely get yourself some Moldavite. You're gonna love it. It's definitely one of those that are like very magical stones that, you know, you have to get close to it and wear it and keep it near you to experience their beautiful energy. And then we could go for, I have here some beautiful Lodolite. So Lodolite, some of you might also know it as garden quartz or also aquarium quartz, depending on where you see it. It's basically a beautiful clear quartz, but it has a lot of natural inclusions inside. So it would be a mineral that would have grown, and on top of it, would you believe, you would have had this clear quartz that would grow, you know, and cover it all. So it's very cool, very unusual. Definitely a stone to have. You know, this one is also very special. It's called the Shaman Stone, and it really has that beautiful energy of, you know, development and, you know, past lives connections, and, you know, really that idea of focusing on releasing and embracing your inner dreamer. And, you know, for me, I really love the fact that it's very grounding energy. For me, it's like much more gentle than black tourmaline, for example, because black tourmaline can be very strong, whereas Lodolite, for example, will get the negativity and the negative energy released through the earth in a much more gentle way. That's what I would say. And yeah, definitely another must-have for any of my Aquarian friends out there. If I was to give two more, now these ones might seem a bit unexpected, because they are obviously a little bit different than what you would see typically in zodiac stones. Is going to be the beautiful Laramie. Here I have a Laramie bracelet. Laramie is this beautiful stone you can only find in the Caribbean. It's so dreamy. That beautiful blue color is just like so dreamy. What I would say about it is that, again, perfect for, you know, being open to speaking your own truth, what's on your mind, not being afraid to let your feelings being expressed. And it's a stone of serenity. It reminds you to go with the flow. And also Laramie, for those of you that are not so familiar, it is said to be associated with you know, past civilizations. We'll go talk about it on another video, but that would mean that it also has that beautiful energy of, you know, bringing you some form of higher wisdom in your life. So, you know, and of course it's very water energy. You know, Laramie has a very strong water energy, so it's going to be like about that quiet strength, beautiful, pure, clean energy that we all need, especially you, my little Aquarius friends. And if I was to give you one last but not least, it's gonna be the beautiful new jade, also known as serpentine. New jade is this beautiful, very light shade of green, very pale green. And new jade is great for many things. You know, it's going to be obviously health, growth, manifestation, positivity, abundance, balance and harmony, all those good things that we all wish we'd have more in our lives. So definitely get yourself some beautiful new jade if you don't have it already. And whether you're Aquarius or not, I think it's a good one. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this. Let me know in the comment section below which one of those 7 or 8, I think I added the Moldavite last minute, which one of those 8 crystals do you feel resonates with you the most? How do you feel about them? You know, what is your go-to, you know? And please make sure you subscribe to the channel. That would be really great. And like this video. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I will be talking to you tomorrow. Bye.